हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो विद एसडी। मैं हूं एसडी शानंद दास, मल्टी एसेट ट्रेडिंग एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट स्पेशलिस्ट। This video I'm largely doing for the Rainbow members. This video is part of Rainbow Learn to Use series. In this video, we are going to take a look at various trading signals that we have within the Rainbow setup. So the name of the video, as you can understand, it's trading signals. So let's directly go. And the chart that we are landing on is natural gas, which gave last Friday a new re-entry opportunity with a breakout of the rainbow levels. So now anyway, we are not discussing about any particular trade. So it's a journey. Don't take the signals as is. You have to understand the signals more. I need to reduce the size of the probability meter. So let me reduce the size of the probability meter to auto. Now, this is the probability meter. You can do all the settings change by going here. If you go here, you'll be able to change the settings. You'll have to select. I have already done a settings video. You can check that to understand more the settings. Obviously, the setup is getting advanced. So the settings might be changing what you have seen. But usually it is becoming clearer and clearer. Now you have, if you click on these, you'll get guidance as well in English as well as in Hindi. So as it gets updated, the more and more it would become easy to handle with. Now, in the setup, you will see that if you select majority of the setup like Fountain of Gold, Index Futures, or you change it to commodity, you make the strength table switch off. And everywhere you will be able to see this green dot. Okay. So this is a buy signal and this is a sell signal. Now these are initially early entry signals. This is the earliest signal possible. इसके बाद ही सिग्नल बहुत ज्यादा zigzag बहुत सारे आने लगते. This is one of the best signals. Even if देखिए buy के signal आने के बाद there was a market correction. At least 50% of the times after the buy signal or the sell signal, there will be a correction in the opposite direction of the signal. Next, there will be a full green candle or a full red candle. This is the more reconfirmation that this is a valid buy signal. And this is a good entry point, this green candle. I'm talking about this green candle I'm talking about. Though the signal you have seen, it came actually here in this candle. But often what will happen after this, you'll get a correction, at least 50% of the case. So you can choose for the confirmation entry for the first time. This is the first round when I enter. And when I'm entering, the first target becomes the empty line. And if there is any other nearby level, which is this was the double, triple, several tops, it coincided. So it moved higher and then gave a correction. Now this empty line, this red line, empty line, let me see if I can break it brighter. I think it is bright enough. So this red empty line is now giving support. So here I exited NG and now there is re-entry opportunity on Friday. So once the signal comes, you have to understand how the market progress. It's not just if the buy signal comes, you take the buy signal. ये जो सिग्नल, ये सिग्नल का नाम है रेनबो बाई. If you go to settings, the rainbow by, if you select move, the rainbow by will come and go. You can change the style as you see fit. Maybe you will space a square, or maybe you will place a arrow up. So I prefer this circle. I like the circle. So I want circle at the bottom, and this on the opposite side. This is the cell signal जिसका नाम है rainbow cell. As you can see, the red dot is coming and going. This is one of the earliest possible signal into long. ये जो signal, this we apply largely for cash, stocks, different commodities for future trading, and sometimes as bull spread buying. We largely do not use these signals for options. These are for cash, futures, and for bull spread, bear spreads can be done with the signals. We remain, keep in mind, there can be a correction, which is very likely, 50% of the case. But the signals, see, remain valid. The opposite signal did not came. And second of all, when anyone is taking this signal, not necessarily you exit at the sell signal. This is an entry signal. These are entry signal, not necessarily exit signal. You'll have to understand that these are more of entry. So it's not that you buy here and you sell here. It is not like that. This is more of a sell entry signal for the first time. If you want to sell somewhere, so this is the first time you are looking for sell. And this इससे पहले भी बेचा जा सकता है, that in a different time. But in this time frame, this sell signal or the buy signal can be considered as the safest with the least chance of failures. Now, with the buy, this is the buy one going. If you go to a special setup, you choose normal candlesticks and make OK, you'll be able to see another. This buy signal was here. This is a second buy signal. This is more of a confirmed buy signal. So while this can be your early entry, this can be a re-entry opportunity. This can be considered as re-entry opportunity. The name of this is, like you have seen, this was the sell. The name of this signal is candle buy or candle sell. Candle buy. This is applicable for normal candlesticks, if anyone prefers normal candlesticks. Or in the rainbow, it can be used as re-entry signals. Now, with this, let us change back to the mother setup, fountain of gold. Now, these signals are also available as alerts. First, select the indicator, press Alt-A in the keyboard and you go to Alert Center. Or you go here, this is also the Alert Center. Or you click Alt-A, you get to the Alert Center. Now, when you are placing the alerts, you select what is the condition. In condition, you select SD Rainbow Asset Master. Let me show you. It could be that I'm using a test version as I was testing. So go to indicators, invite only SD Rainbow Wave version 1. And keep it all auto if you're not sure, apply. And now you select the indicator, press Alt A. Here you are SD Rainbow Asset Master. So once you have selected that one, this is the rainbow buy, rainbow sell, or the green dot, red dot signal. This is the candlestick buy, candlestick sell. This signal is only visible if you go to normal candlestick. When both the signals are coming, there is a double buy and double sell signal. When we have both the signals in the same direction, you can have double buy and double sell alert. Now, these are trades, these signals, as the setup is a multi-asset, multi-time frame, the signal is valid across the asset class and across the time frames. However, the longer term the chart is, obviously the accuracy is going to go up. There is no doubt about that, but it will not be significantly that in the lower time frame, it will not be good. It's not will be like that. This is a multi-asset, multi-time frame setup. These are the signals largely we are using for cash and futures trading. And with the rainbow buy, a bull spread can be created, or with the rainbow sell, bear spread can be created. But for the options trading, the setup is separate. Let's switch off this one. And for when I mean options, largely I'm meaning the index option, largely Nifty. Now, go to indicators, invite only, SD rainbow wave option. Once it comes, we are into selling, so we'll select credit spread and apply. So we will go with these signals. Though it's a green dot, it is a different sort of a signal. It is not related to the green dot that we have seen in the cash and futures. Here we have bull spread 1, bear spread 1, 2, 3. So at a time, 3 trades per expiry can come. Let's see the credit spread and style. Bull call spread, no, we are into selling. So we will get bull put spread 1. Bull put spread 1. So you can see this is bull put spread 1. There is bull put spread 2. The signal you can come, the cross signal. And we have bull put spread 3. Similarly, when market remains bearish, we have bear call spread 1. This is the signal. Bear call spread 2. This is the signal. And obviously, sometimes we will get, like this time there were no third trade. Sometimes we'll get bear call spread 3. Current, that signal is not there. Because the market obviously, even during this phase, the broad trend has been bullish. So we can't be that aggressive towards the sell side. So overall, this option trades have been very, very profitable. In addition to that, if we select debit spread, we have to be careful in booking quick profits. Debit spread are in general less accurate, less time profitable compared to the selling. This is more of a buying game. So in these trades, it is better to go always with spreads. Always to go with the spread, never to go with the naked options. So here also we have 3 trade signals. If you go to, now this is option buying. That means bull call spread the lower one, bull call spread 2. You will see bull call spread, bear put spread 1, the red cross, and there will be bear put spread, the above one. Now you might say, where is the third one? Third one will be visible to you if you go to settings, go to inputs, go to options, and you can see the third trade, which is denoted by the background color in the RSI X. So background color जब तक green है, that means bull call spread चालू है. Sorry, yellow means no trade, and the red means it's a bear call spread. Sorry, bear put spread चल रहा है. This is bull call, this is bear put. And whenever yellow background in RSI X, that means it's neutral. So to see the third call, you'll have to go to RSI X and select the options. Otherwise, we generally apply the regular setup. So now we have total 6 buy-side signals for options, bull spreads, bear spreads. We have 3 bull call, 3 bear put spreads. In the option selling, we have another 6. Credit spread. That means total 12 signal we have out of this option. In addition to that, if we apply, say, option premium charts, so this is the option premium chart, we have theme signal as well. And to get the theme signals, if we select buy premium, sell premium, it is available. Currently buy premium chal raha hai, theta decay chance low. So these are theme signals available too. And if you go select the straddle strangle, there will be also a straddle strangle theme jo chal raha hai, that is currently long chal raha hai. Premium decay chance, मतलब straddle strangle जो आप करेंगे, currently straddle strangle overall करने का ही theme चल रहा है. Now, if this is the, first of all, this is not a straddle strangle chart, then only to have to apply the straddle strangle chart plus, let me create it so that we get the right data. This is not the right data because we are applying on the wrong charts. So yes, current now with the right chart, we can say, yes, we can go long on the straddles, strangles. Okay. Now this is straddle strangle signals is also available. Now that means within the option setup, currently we have 16 overall trading signals, sab mila. And all these signals are available in alert form. If you select the indicator, go Alt A, all these trading signals are available as alert. But remember, any alert is valid if it stays till the closing time. The signal, whether here or in the table, if it's there, you may enter early or exited early. But if the signal is different than what you did, then you can either get back or once again get to the trade. Means your initial entry was false one. Means signal is valid only if it remains at the time of closing. Otherwise, it is not valid. Now this is overall we have taken a look at the options. So that means options we have 12. And in addition to that, we have two signals here, premium charts, two signal in the straddle. That means overall in the options, we have 16 trading signals. So in addition to that, the 16 trading signals, if you go to Asset Master, and currently gold is going record high. As you can see from the daily chart, what a beautiful rise. So as long we have signal here as well, that is the rainbow buy, rainbow sell, candle buy, candle sell. So another 4 signals, ignore the long option buy sell. These are the same as what you saw in the option setup, actually more advanced. Actually more advanced. So I think option jo kar rahe, it's best to use the option master setup. So overall dekha jaye, so we have 20 signal, so 20 trading signals and 22 trading alerts, because we have the double buy, double sell as well. So I think if you want to understand the rainbow setup, go back test and see these signals playing across different charts. You'll have better idea how you want to play it, as well as how your, as I always say, how your trading plan is going to be. So it is an awesome setup and very easy setup to write your trading plan with and to follow. So I hope you are those जो लोग इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, you are enjoying it. अगर enjoy कर रहे हैं और साथ में वीडियो भी पसंद आ रहा है, don't forget to like it. All the best from my side, and as always, happy trading.